And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass bray.
For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old songs.
Okay, so hi guys, and I'm pretty much gonna do this video to show you guys how I do my clip-ins. I said clip-ins. What are these called? I don't know what they're called, but pretty much I'm just gonna show you guys how I just do my nails really quick and fast, and this method normally lasts me depending on what I'm doing, up to 2 weeks. So it's very convenient for me, and I just like it. So this, as you can see, this table is a little messed up right now. I've been really using it as my DIY table. I just need to change this little wallpaper thing. Yeah, so I scratched my address out, but this is the packaging of where the nail came from. And listen, I was really eager and I opened it ahead and stuff. But okay, taking it out. There's nothing else left in this. Taking it out, it comes with, can you guys see it? Or is it too bright? Hold on. And in the packaging, it comes with, like, you know, the fake nails from Nail Drip. And let me see. I'm fixing it real quick for you guys so you guys can see everything kind of close up. It's like marbles. Focus. Are you focusing? Is it still too bright? Why is this so bright? Hold on guys. Okay, this is what they look like, and they're very pretty, and they're from Nail Drip, and yeah, they're like can you guys see it really? I don't know if you guys can see it really well. It depends on what you're doing with your nails and your profession, whatever. If your hands are always in water, then it may last you, like, you have to re-glue them or something, but yeah, it won't do crazy stuff. And I went ahead from this right here, I went and picked out the ones that kind of, you know, that I want to use and put on my nails and stuff. And as you can see, this big one fits perfectly my thumb. I'm gonna place this in this side, and this fits right here very well, and they're really long and they look really nice, and they're very firm. They're not breaking or anything, so I really like that about them. And I sometimes use the Kiss, this one. Can you guys see it? I sometimes use this one to glue my nails because it's the quickest one. It sticks like forever, and I never have a problem with it. But I'm gonna actually go ahead and use this glue. I was really struggling with the glue, and it went all over my fingers, and it's all white. You guys see it? It's all white. I'm trying to get rid of it, but it's taking too long. I'm gonna just do it at the end. But like I said, I'm gonna take the glue, right, and I'm gonna apply. I don't know if you guys can see it well, but I'm just applying a drop of it. This glue dries so fast that I don't even know what's going on right now. Like, I don't even know what's going on with this glue right now, but I wouldn't really recommend it because it's drying so quick. Oh my god, I just put a whole lot on my finger. But I'm taking the one that fits my the finger I'm using, and I'm just gonna place it on it, and look at it, it's already glued down. Ugh, this is crazy. And Look, it looks like an acrylic. Like I just got like a little acrylic. Like, hello. Can you guys see this? That's crazy. You guys can see this. Oh my god, my fingers look really crazy. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. So then I'm gonna continue doing it for all my fingers, and I'm applying a little tiny bit, but this is so liquidy that it just goes everywhere. And I'm just gonna, you feel me? Just place and push down for like 3 seconds, and it's already sticking to my fingers. And you guys can see me doing all of this right now. Just a little bit. I'm gonna apply this right here to make the nail pretty. Look, don't this look crazy? Like, you don't gotta go to the nail salon, spend time and stuff. Like, this is like, it sticks. I don't know what to tell you other than y'all need to get on with this clipping life, because you're missing out. Just pressing down, press it a little bit, press, 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 boom. Do you guys see the difference? Okay, look at this, before, after. Let me move everything to the side so you guys can really see what I'm talking about, like this before and after thing. Okay, so like, look, I already feel mad different. Like, I feel like a whole new person, you know. Like, they got new nails and they don't know how to act, you know. I'm about to just, you know, you feel me? I'm just gonna be like, tap it everywhere. Like, okay, what's my name? Now let me stop. All right, I'm gonna continue doing this and taking the nail again. I'm applying a little bit, but you know this thing is very liquidy, like I said, and I'm just gonna place the little one, and I'm pressing. I'm just picking it up and pressing it right now, just so you guys can see. And look, what this one is like my favorite. Look at it. It has like this nice little design on it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, I really like these what should I call it? Marble floors. The only thing with this is I wish that it came with more like little designs, like maybe 2 for each hand, or like whatchamacallit, yeah, like I could use 2 for each hand, but it's only 2 designs with like 20 nails, so I had to just use one for one hand. Well, I didn't have to because I can reuse them, but I just, you know, whatever. I'm a bum. Hold on. Oh my god, don't dry yet. Yes. Oh, my baby. Hold on. My little princess wanna get on camera. Did you guys hear her? Oh, sweetie. Mommy's busy right now. I ended up stabbing myself, so don't mind this little bang. And it's kind of swollen. But what? I'm coming. She wants me to pick her up, y'all, and you know. So funny. From my last video, everybody's been texting me on like Instagram and stuff, telling me they didn't know I cuss so much. I do. Sweetie, I'm gonna pick you up soon. Hold on. Well, I am pretty much done, and I'm gonna just every fake nails. I don't know if you're new to them. They have like this little thing on the top of them, and I just like to go in and just file it down so that they could look more natural. And I just do this, and you could use the harder side or the softer side, it's up to you. And you could do this like 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5 seconds, whatever, and it'll go down and nobody's gonna tell it's a fake nail. Like, okay, so okay, and it's done, and I'm done, and it's done, and it's done, and it's done. So I'm done. You know, if you want to go back and file your nails if they're showing, you can go ahead and do that, but like, this is the final product. I don't know what else you want from me. Like, And I'm taking some lotion because, like I said, I washed my hand before and I don't want it to be dry. Lotion, oil, whatever. And I'm just putting a little dab. And I'm just, whew, wow. I don't know how to act now. Like, anybody text me right now, all they're gonna hear is the, like, I don't be texting. I'm a whole new person. But yeah, this is the final product. What you guys think? I really like this design. It's so nice. Look at marble, pretty, fancy, nice. My grabbers, you feel me? I'm gonna grab my, you know, my kings. Let me stop. But yeah, my grabbers is looking poppin', right? King picked the design, and this is what he wanted. So, you know, I'm gonna grab him with these. Yeah. But I will show you guys my Nala because she's been wanting to get picked up. So she's been wanting to get picked up. Come here, come here, come here. Look up right here. Say hi, everybody. Say this is me. I've been wanting to get picked up by mommy. And yeah, I'm gonna just lay right here. But I'm gonna thing for my thumbnail. Let's see what you guys think. What you guys think? What you guys think? I want them to see me holding your little head like this. Be like, wow, mommy, what you doing to me? What you doing to me?